Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 3. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. Students, class 3. This is your science class. And today we are going to learn and discuss unit number 5. The topic of unit number 5 is air. Yes, today our topic is about air. It is very interesting topic, students. This is your book title. This is your book, science book for class 3. It is very interesting book. This book tells us about different amazing topics of science. So this is amazing science. And students, today our topic is about air. Yes, we have many colorful pictures of related to our topic. So anyone of you know about air? Yes, all of you know and feel air every time. Yes, we breathe because of this air. A thick layer of air surrounds our earth. So students, today our topic is about air. Our atmosphere is made up of combination of different gases, and air is also present around the earth. So our first topic related to our unit number 5, air, is about the atmosphere. Anyone of you know about what is atmosphere? Okay, students, the layer of air is called atmosphere, which is present around us. So students, please be attentive, concentrate on your today's lesson, that is about atmosphere. There is a huge layer of air all around the earth. हमारी ज़मीन के गिर्द जो है लेयर ऑफ एयर मौजूद है. इट कवर्स द अर्थ लाइक ए थिक ब्लैंकेट, और एक ब्लैंकेट की तरह इसने हमारे अर्थ को, हमारे प्लैनेट को कवर किया हुआ है. दिस थिक ब्लैंकेट दैट इज अराउंड आवर अर्थ, दिस लेयर ऑफ एयर इज कॉल्ड एटमॉस्फेयर. द एटमॉस्फेयर इज मोर देन 1000 kilometers deep. Students, please highlight or underline this line. This is very important. The atmosphere is more than 1000 kilometers deep. Gee, so this is the main fact about our atmosphere. Very interesting fact. The atmosphere is made up of many gases. Anyone of you know about different gases which are present in our atmosphere? Yes, oxygen, carbon dioxide. We breathe in oxygen. Carbon dioxide is needed by plants, and nitrogen is also present in our atmosphere. Also we have the dust particles and some germs which make our body sick. So these germs and dust particles are not good for our body and health. But oxygen, we breathe in oxygen, we take in oxygen during respiration. So oxygen is very important for us. Now look at the next paragraph. The oxygen in the atmosphere is used by all living things. Yes, students, I told you about this very important fact that oxygen is present in our atmosphere and it is used by all living things. It is used for breathing and burning process. So oxygen gas is also helpful in breathing and burning process. Without oxygen we cannot breathe and we cannot burn anything. Carbon dioxide is also present in our atmosphere and is used by green plants, and green plants make their food in the presence of carbon dioxide. So students, oxygen is given out by green plants. When green plants make their own food, they use carbon dioxide and given out oxygen. जब green plants अपनी food खुद prepare करते हैं अपने leaves में. Look at this picture. This picture is showing this line that carbon dioxide through the air enters into the leaves and oxygen is given out into the air. So carbon dioxide, we give out carbon dioxide when we breathe and we take in oxygen. Carbon dioxide is also given out when things burn. जब भी कोई चीज़ जलती है, burn होती है, for example barbecue, जब भी whenever we make barbecue, the smoke which is produced by barbecue is carbon dioxide. Yes, whenever anything burns, it produces carbon dioxide. Although we cannot see air, we can feel it. The air is present around us in our atmosphere, we can only feel it. So students, after reading this, we come to the point that air is essential for life. हवा हमारी ज़िंदगी के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. For humans, for animals and for plants, they cannot live without air, without it. In summer the air is warm, in winter the air is cold. In the rainy season the air contains a lot of water vapors. So now he is telling you that in summer season the air is warm, during winter it is cold, and during rainy season it contains lot of water vapors. On a bright sunny day the air is dry. Now students, look at the next topic, that is about air pressure. This is also very interesting topic. What he is saying in this topic, he is saying the atmosphere is pressing on us all the time. It means that the atmosphere is exerting some pressure all the time on us. We do not feel the air pressing on us because we are used to it. अब जो air present है हमारे atmosphere में, वो कोई ना कोई pressure exert कर रही है हम पे, but we cannot feel it because we are used to it. Now students, look at this very interesting experiment. Weight an empty balloon. Now fill the balloon with air and weight it again. You will see that the balloon with air in it weighs more than the empty balloons. This shows that air has weight. So now here we are doing weight of empty balloon and a balloon which is filled with the air. So that balloon which are filled with the air showing weight. So this is showing the air pressure. The way air presses down on all things is called pressure. So this is the definition of air pressure. Now students, we have next topic, air pressure, and what is the connection of air pressure with our weather. Yes, our weather show change because of this air pressure. Look at this picture. We have warm air here. Yes, when the wind blows, it goes towards the low pressure area. So students, the air pressure changes from day to day. Every day we have different air pressures. Change in air pressure affect the weather. Yes, whenever air pressure change, it can change our weather easily. On a hot day, the layer of air near the ground becomes warm. So look, students, look at this picture. This is a hot day. So here the layer of air near the ground becomes warm. Warm air is lighter than cold air, so it begins to rise. So warm air always rise because it is lighter than cold air. Cold air, which is heavier than warm air, comes to take its place. So cold air from cold regions come towards the warm air area and exert pressure because of the low air pressure. Cold air pushes the warm air out of the way. This happens all the time. So students, cold air pushes the warm air and takes the place of warm air. So that is why air pressure changes our weather. Please look at these pictures. These pictures are very interesting. To measure air pressure, we use instrument which is called barometer. Look at the spellings of barometer. B-A-R-O-M-E-T-E-R. Barometer. Also, we have another instrument that through this instrument we can calculate the speed of the wind, and this instrument name is anemometer. Anemometer. Yes, look at the spellings of anemometer. A-N-E-M-O-M-E-T-E-R. Anemometer. And wind vane. This instrument is used to find the direction of the wind. Yes, students, it's very interesting. It's always interesting to read about the air and wind. So the moving air, we call it wind. So students, this is about the wind. The moving air is called wind. A light wind is called a breeze. Yes, moving air, we call it wind, and a light wind, we call it breeze. A strong wind, we call it gale. So moving air is called wind, light wind is called breeze, and a strong wind is called gale. The strongest wind of all is called a hurricane. जो तूफान बनकर आता है, सबसे strong winds जो होती हैं, we call it hurricane. A hurricane can uproot trees and damage houses. ये इतने ज़्यादा effective होते हैं hurricanes, they are so effective that they can uproot trees. ये दरख्तों को, जब ये hurricanes आते हैं, दरख्तों को उखाड़ देते हैं, and damage houses, और houses को भी नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं. So students, now we have next topic, how to make a simple barometer. You can make a simple barometer in your houses as well. So this is amazing fact about barometer. Now we will read this, how we can make a barometer. So students, to make a simple barometer, take a tall, thin, clear glass bottle. Stick a paper marked with centimeters on one side of it. Look at this picture. This picture is showing the simple barometer. We take a tall, thin glass bottle and we write the measurements in centimeters on one side of it. Fill the bottle with water and carefully put it upside down in a tub full of water. Now, to make a simple barometer, take a tub and fill this bottle with water and place it upside down in a tub. When the pressure of the air is less, जब हवा का pressure कम होगा, the level of water in the bottle will fall. तो जब level है, now you can notice the level of water in the bottle when the air pressure falls, the air pressure is less, the level of water in the bottle will fall. कम हो जाएगा water level bottle के अंदर, and when the pressure of the air is greater, the level of water in the bottle will rise. So you can check the air pressure with a simple barometer. Our atmosphere is divided into layers. The bottom layer, about 16 kilometers high, is called the troposphere. Yes, students, most of our weather takes shape of in the troposphere. So students, this is very important topic and very interesting as well. So students, today we have learned about the air. Air is also a matter. It has a mass and occupies space. Students, this picture is showing that air is also a matter. It has mass and occupies space. Two balloons, red and blue, of equal sizes, having the same amount of air inside them. Yes, atoms are tied to both ends of the beam balance. So if blue balloon is deflated, अगर हमारा blue balloon जो है उसमें से एयर सारी निकल जाती है, the side of the beam balance with red balloon weights down. So हमारा जो red side वाला balloon है वो शो करेगा weight को. So it means that air is a matter. It has mass and occupies space. So conclusion is that the red balloon containing air atoms in it have more mass than blue balloon. Thus, it is proves that air has mass. The space occupied by the deflected blue balloon is less than the red balloon. Thus, it proves that it also occupies some space. So, after reading this, we come to the conclusion that air is a matter, it occupies space and show weight. How we record the weather? With the help of weather instruments. Thermometer to measure the temperature, yes. Barometer to measure the pressure, yes. All these instruments help scientists to measure the weather, temperature, speed of wind, yes. Wind vane shows the direction of the wind. Rain gauge helps to measure the amount of rain. So students, these instruments are very important. It shows different instruments, yes. Now we have the exercise of our lesson number 5. We have the question answers, experiment, filling the blanks. We will do this exercise during our online lecture, and this exercise is also available on your web portal. You can do this exercise on your books and your journals. Okay students, Allah Hafiz, take care, and must revise your unit number 5.